Running out of time? Don't worry, here are the top 25 last-minute tech gifts on Amazon that are sure to wow anyone. Let's dive in. Number 1 is JLab Go AirPods Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Looking for a gift that everyone will love? The JLab Go AirPods True Wireless Earbuds deliver crisp sound, long battery life, and a compact, stylish design. Perfect for music, podcasts, or calls on the go. Number 2 is the Apple USB-C to Lightning cable, 1M. A practical gift for iPhone or iPad users. The Apple USB-C to Lightning cable charges devices quickly and reliably, perfect for home, office, or travel. Number 3 is the Dazana MagSafe 15W wireless charging pad. Simplify charging with the Dazana 15W magnetic wireless charging pad. Just set your phone down and power up, no cords needed. Sleek, fast, and compatible with iPhone and AirPods. Number 4 is Amazon Smart Plug, Wi-Fi. Turn any ordinary outlet into a smart one with the Amazon Smart Plug. Control your lights and appliances with Alexa, even when you're away. Simple setup, compact design, and a gift anyone will actually use. Number 5 is Anker Nano 245W Fast Charger. Power up faster with the Anker Nano 245W Fast Charger. Compact, travel-friendly, and strong enough to charge phones, tablets, or even laptops with ease. Number 6 is the Amazon Basics Portable Flexible Tripod. Perfect for content creators or travelers. The Amazon Basics Portable Flexible Tripod holds your smartphone or camera steady for photos, vlogs, or video calls. Lightweight and flexible, it's a gift that's ready to go anywhere. Number 7 is Amazon Basics Ergonomic Foldable Laptop Stand. Upgrade any workspace instantly. The Amazon Basics Foldable Laptop Stand improves posture, keeps your desk organized, and is fully portable. A thoughtful gift for students, remote workers, or anyone with a laptop. Number 8 is JBL Go 4 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Looking for a small gift that actually delivers? The JBL Go 4 is an ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker with surprisingly powerful sound for its size. It's waterproof, dustproof, and perfect for travel, outdoor days, or just keeping music with you anywhere. Number 9 is INIU Mini Portable Charger. This compact 10,000 mAh power bank delivers fast 45 WPD charging for phones, tablets, and even a MacBook Air when needed. Pocket-sized, travel-ready, and ideal for everyday power. Number 10 is the Anker Soundcore Q20i Hybrid Noise-Canceling Headphones. Immerse in your favorite tunes with the Anker Soundcore Q20i Hybrid Noise-Canceling Headphones. Comfortable, long battery life, and amazing noise cancellation. Perfect for travel or work. Number 11 is JBL Tune 670NC Noise Cancelling Wireless On-Ear Headphones. Experience crisp sound and active noise cancellation with JBL Tune 670NC wireless headphones. Ideal for music, calls, or work from home setups. Sleek, comfortable, and ready to gift. Number 12 is the JBL Tune Flex True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Compact, powerful, and noise cancelling. The JBL Tune Flex earbuds deliver clear sound with punchy bass while reducing background noise for a focused listening experience. They're lightweight, secure, and perfect for commuting, workouts, or everyday use. Number 13 is Amazon Echo Dot. The Amazon Echo Dot is a compact smart speaker with surprisingly rich sound, powered by Alexa. It's perfect for music, smart home control, timers, weather updates, and hands-free help around the house. A simple, reliable gift for any room. Number 14 is Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Smart LED Bulb, 2-pack. Transform any room instantly with Philips Hue Smart LED bulbs. Choose millions of colors, schedule lighting, or control with Alexa or Google. A gift that brings style and tech together. Number 15 is the Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. Track your fitness, notifications, and more with the Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. Sleek design, long battery life, and loaded with health features. A perfect gift for tech and fitness enthusiasts. Number 16 is the DJI Mini 4K Drone Combo. Take photography to new heights with the DJI Mini 4K drone. Ultra-light, foldable, and shoots stunning 4K video. Perfect gift for creators, travelers, or hobbyists. Number 17 is the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus security camera. Keep your home safe with the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus. Motion-activated alerts, bright LED lights, and live video right to your phone. Practical, high-tech, and a gift anyone can appreciate. Number 18 is the Govee Smart Light Bulbs, 4-pack. The Govee Smart Light Bulbs add full RGB color, dimming, and voice control with Alexa or Google. Perfect for creating cozy lighting, movie night vibes, or colorful room setups. A fun, easy smart home upgrade for any space. Number 19 is TileMate Bluetooth Tracker. Always misplacing keys, bags, or backpacks? The TileMate helps you find them in seconds using your phone. It's compact, reliable, and makes everyday life easier. A super practical gift anyone can use. Number 20 is the JBL Clip 5 Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker. A tiny speaker with surprisingly big sound. Its rugged build, stronger bass, and built-in carabiner make it perfect for backpacks, bikes, and travel. Waterproof, portable, and great for everyday use. Number 21 is the Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. With multiple cooking modes and fast, turbo blaze, air circulation, it crisps, roasts, bakes and reheats. All with little or no oil. Great for quick meals, healthy cooking, or busy lifestyles. A gift that makes any kitchen smarter. Number 22 is the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Keep your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature with the Ember Smart Mug 2. It auto-adjusts heat so every sip stays warm just the way you like it. A premium and thoughtful gift for work-from-home users and caffeine lovers. Number 23 is the Renpho Active Thermocool 2 Massage Gun. Speed up recovery with the Renpho Thermocool 2. Dual heat and cold therapy, 3,200 RPM deep tissue massage, and quiet, cordless design make it perfect for home, gym, or travel. A smart wellness gift for anyone. Number 24 is the Etexity Smart Nutrition Food Scale. Track calories, portions, and macros with the Etexity Smart Nutrition Scale. It syncs with your phone and offers 8,000 plus food entries for accurate tracking. A great gift for fitness fans, dieters, or meal preppers. Finally, number 20 is the Jackery Explorer 300 Portable Power Station. Perfect for camping, emergencies, or road trips, the Jackery Explorer 300 delivers reliable portable power for phones, laptops, and small appliances. Lightweight, durable, and a must-have for travelers and outdoor lovers. That's our top 25 last-minute tech gifts on Amazon. All links are in the description. Grab your favorites now and make someone's holiday unforgettable.